In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to free up disk space in Windows 11. Fix today here. Let's begin. Start by clicking the search icon on your taskbar, type Run, and open it. In the Run box, type wsreset.exe and click OK. This will clear the Microsoft Store cache, which can free up hidden space used by temporary files, wait for the blank window to close, and for the Microsoft Store to open automatically, as this means the process is complete. Next, click the Start button and open Settings. Go to System, then select Storage. Here you'll see how your storage is being used. Click on Temporary Files and let Windows scan your system. Once it loads, check the boxes for Downloads, Recycle Bin, and Windows Update Cleanup. Then click Remove Files to clear them. After that, go back and select Storage Sense. Turn on Automatic User Content Cleanup so Windows can automatically remove unnecessary files in the future without manual effort. Now click the search icon again, type Run and open it, type Clean MGR and click OK to launch Disk Cleanup. Select your C drive, click OK, then click Clean Up System Files. Choose the C drive again and let it scan deeper. Once the list appears, check all the boxes and click OK, then select Delete Files. This step removes deeper system junk like old update files and can free up a large amount of space. Next, open Run again, type appwiz.cpl and click OK. This will open the Programs and Features window. Sort your apps by size or installation date, then right-click any programs you no longer use and select Uninstall. Removing large apps is one of the fastest ways to free up space. Now open File Explorer and go to your Downloads folder, look through your files, select anything you don't need, then right-click and delete them. This folder often contains large unused files that take up space. After that, right-click the Recycle Bin on your desktop and select Empty Recycle Bin. This step is important because files are not fully deleted until the bin is cleared. Finally, click the Start button, go to Power, and select Restart. This helps Windows finalize all deletions and accurately update your available storage. Once your system restarts, you should now have more free space and a cleaner, more optimized computer. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.